While we are sleeping in the past, Magnaflex customers are sleeping in the future thanks to their MagniSmartech smart beds. These beds not only offer comfort, but also give sleep quality recommendations. MagniSmartech keeps tabs on a bunch of stuff like your pee breathing rate, noise level, and room temperature. Why well, if you start snoring for example, the bed changes the mattress position to help stop it. And when the alarm goes off, it lifts the top part a bit and adds some vibration. Pretty cool, huh? Now brace yourself because this wonder bed will set you back about $220,000. If you want your house to be a super secure fortress, you no longer need Mohs or boiling oil pots. Now it's all about high-tech secure RAM switches are the answer. They let you control your home lights via Wi-Fi from anywhere. And inside a simple voice or laser command does the trick. If you walk into a room, the lights go on. Each switch is priced at $46. Now, digital keys are something interesting too. Imagine a door lock with a SIM card inside it, works with digital keys, sends alerts, and even sets off an alarm if something's wrong. The best part is that it fits right on top of your regular lock. No price on their website yet, but the SIM card subscription is $3 per month. Or imagine waking up to the aroma of freshly brewed coffee every morning. That's the magic of Barisieur. This coffee brewer alarm clock, it might sound a bit strange, but it's a game changer. When you wake up, your coffee is getting ready brewed at the perfect 94 degrees C. Plus it even comes with the world's tiniest fridge for your milk that works. Thanks to the Peltier effect, it can hold up to 3 portions. This fantastic gadget is priced at $331, and there are versions with both European and American plugs. Set up the auto unit, connect the hoses, and define the watering zone. Then kick back and relax. The future of lawn care has arrived. AO efficiently directs water, even in oddly shaped watering zones. Plus, it's weather-savvy, preventing overwatering or parched lawns with its zigzag watering pattern. It ensures even coverage. One unit covers 260 SECURAM and goes for $470. The company also offers liquid fertilizers, insect repellent, and odor management solutions. Just load them into the auto when you're good to go. Don't got a lush lawn after a good watering time for a trim? And the LUBA 2 is the smart revolutionary mower you need, priced at $3,000. The LUBA 2 AWD 5000 model gets your lawn in shape without breaking his sweat setting it up as a breeze, taking just 18 minutes, 10 times faster than its rivals. This device is the real deal and can cover half a hectare while handling slopes of up to 38 degrees. The LUBA 2 remembers 30 work Z's, navigates around obstacles, and responds to voice commands through Alexa and Google Home. The only drawback is that it won't brew your coffee, but who knows what the next versions might bring. Check out LG's cool hybrid that blurs the line between furniture and appliances. They've turned a coffee table into a multitasking marvel. It's got an air purifier, wireless charging, and built-in lighting. The whole setup connects to Wi-Fi, linking up with the LG Think app. Plus it's whisper quiet, making less noise, and leaves rustling outside your window. Just a heads up. Though you can only lay things under 2 kilograms on the table, as per LG's recommendation. This unique piece is up for grabs at $419. If you have a balcony, you could cut your electricity bill by a quarter just to install some iCarus solar panels on it. Each basic panel weighs under 10 kilograms and pumps out 350 WS that adds up to about 450 Watt-hours per year, plenty to run the fridge. The dishwasher or the TV, installing it by yourself is easy, just 4 steps, and you're good to go. Keep tabs on your iCarus efficiency with a smartphone app. You can buy a 350 W panel for $485. Alsys creates products that make life better in a smart way. Think about escalators, they're handy, but kind of big, right? What if we could make them more compact? Well, check this out, an elevator that can carry up to 150 kilograms. It fits into almost any building without needing a major staircase overhaul. And if there are lots of floors, it links up into a smart chain. When one platform moves, the next one automatically comes closer. It seems simple, but alas, is even filed a patent. As for the price, they're keeping it a secret for now. Meet the Sweepovac team. They're bringing the future of cleaning to your doorstep. They've cracked the code on an age-old problem: how to clean up without hauling around a hefty vacuum cleaner. Here's their idea. You install this vacuum system under, let's say, the C cupboard, and you're all set. There are 2 ways it works. Either sweep debris towards it and it sucks it up, or attach a hose for a vacuum cleaner like experience once done. Just toss the trash from the reusable bag. The Big Kick version covers 110 square A, making it a perfect fit, even for mobile homes. The price is $269. Did you know that according to the American Academy of Sleep Medicine, 1 out of every 3 adults doesn't get enough sleep? That's a pretty concerning fact. 8 Sleep took notice and came up with a solution: a high-tech mattress pad packed with medical-grade sensors and smart algorithms. It takes care of regulating the temperature all by itself. Sleep gets comfier, and with this pad, people fall asleep 40% quicker plus. There's a 1 reduction in tossing, turning, and midnight wake-ups. The price tag for the Pod 3 mattress pad is $3,076. Comment below to share your thoughts on the video and subscribe for future updates.